and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Polo. It's an R-Line edition, Urano Grey paint. You've got all your R-Line badging, and you've got rear tinted windows. It's a really stunning car, there's no marks, really well looked after. I'll open the boot so you can have a look. So there is a decent sized boot considering it is a fairly small car, so you get all your shopping and everything in there. As you can see, really well looked after. Inside there is good space in the back, and you've got two USB ports in the centre. So we'll just get in and I'll show you a couple of features on this car as well. It has got power folding mirrors, so if I lock it, they'll fold, and then unlock, and they'll unfold. So I'll just start the car up. So if we look down here, you've got all your climate control, your aircon. Is manual, this one, and it has got parking sensors. You've also got your radio, you've got car app connect, so you can connect your phone seamlessly, a multi-function steering wheel so you can change the view, and skip songs and voice request. Down there you've got your automatic lights, and you've got your window controls. It has got heated door mirrors as well, perfect for the cold winter months that we've got coming. You've got your R-Line badging on the seats, and it's in a really nice condition. Got a nice grey insert on the dash as well, nice glossy finish. And you've got two USB ports just down there as well. If you've got any questions or you're interested in this car, please give us a call. Thank you.